Now we are going to do cross stitch. Cross stitch is the best part. You can do very nicely, very easy stitch. Only the counting, when you are coming here you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, then green, like that. You have to counting must be very good. Okay, then you will do very nice stitch very perfectly. Okay, for this one first you must learn how the stitch will be. Okay, this is done on the mat, small to big mat. Okay, now we are going to learn the stitch. Okay, the cross stitch is like this one. Okay, just you can come up, then you can cross this, the check like this one. See, did you see that? It is going, up from here to there, then it is coming opposite side another into. Okay, see, like a cross, one stitch is crossing on the other. If we go in the same direction, okay, just the same direction on the side like this way. Now you can either go in the horizontal way like this, horizontal way like that, or you can go in the vertical road like this. See, vertical road like this. You can go either direction, you can go in any direction. Okay, like this way you can go. Then if it is a woolen one, then what you can do, just you can put the woolen thread, you can take double thread, it will be filling very quickly like this one. It filled very quickly. You can finish the motif within a day like that. Okay, if you want to do the back stitch, how you have to do, you have to just first come to the first check, then you can go there, fill that one, go straight line like that, then you can go to the, not the next one, other one. See, like this way you have to take the next line. Okay, then you can come here, then fill in. Not take a straight stitch, you have to go overlap like this way to come down. If you want 2 stitches to back stitch, then you can come here and then do like this. This is called back stitch. Then you can do the like a roses also, you can do in that one. Okay, like this one you can just take a thread like this one, then put 2 stitch, or sometimes you may make roses bud over there, 3 stitch are like this one, then fill it out, just take it out, then this will be like a small bud like this one also you can do it. Therefore cross stitch you can do it very quickly. See, if you are doing with the woolen one, you can fill it very quickly. See, this one, you can see the stitch, you can fill it very quickly. See, you can fill it very fast. The color also looks very pretty and bright. See, you can just fill in like this one very quickly, like this way. Only in this one, the counting is the best part. You have to count it in. You must be very good in maths also, then you can do it very quickly. Sometimes the motif will be come in color. Okay, you can see the colorful one like this one. Nowadays it is coming like colorful like this one. Just you have to just fill in. This one is very quick. You can do it very quickly also. There are so many things coming like this one, therefore you can fill in very quickly. Okay, now we made, this is our small motif we made for the UT. This one is a smaller mat, smaller cloth. It's an Indian cloth. Okay, very soft one. Then I took only one thread. Okay, only one thread to do this work. Okay, therefore it will be very nice. Okay, this is the gift for the YouTube I made it. Okay. Also this is a gift for you if you make it nicely. So many cross stitch. Okay. Then best wishes for everybody to do the cross stitch. Okay. Happy YouTube. Bye.